At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. I'm back again with another video. The Jamaica Public Service Company, which is called the JPS, has confirmed that some of its customers are now without electricity as a result of sustained rainfall and strong winds from Tropical Storm Raphael. Una hear my wisdom warriors? Una see the weather is really bad, I have some video footage. I just want to take a look at this.
Texaco gas station. Whole of water so flood out. My people, no look. History creating a negrilla. Whole of water full out. The whole of water from upper Orange Hill. No Orange Hill could do up. Whitehall and the whole of them. Some of Whitehall water could have come down water too. See water come from up the road there, so look all over Chai. Look like all over Chai supposed to. Over Chai supposed to flood out too. True, me can't see the fire so. And a nice water going. I don't know say so much water I come from good hope Orange Hill them place there. See how far I reach up to the gas station here so. And it come over further too. See all the vehicle them over there so like trade.
Also, guys, just take a look at this. This is in Lime Hall, St. Anne's. So, we have to just be careful. Even with this individual stand up over there, so it's not even safe, It's not safe. So, I just want all my well-thinking Jamaican, all my wisdom warriors, everybody, to just stay safe. The Ministry of Education is encouraging all stakeholders to take the necessary precautions to ensure their safety while the authorities continue to monitor the weather situation. In a school bulletin on Sunday, the ministry advised that local conditions should inform decisions at the school level. So, wait there. I only stakeholder alone don't care about. When I hear them something, my wisdom warriors, the Ministry of Education is encouraging all stakeholders. Hey, them had one thing with them, They might protect for them money, Bombard. My wisdom warriors, I first ever see this. Ministry of Education, I tell stakeholders. How would the rotted wall go on? My wisdom warriors, a nationwide put this out, And the title says Education Ministry tells schools to take precautions amid unstable weather. So at the school, wait there, at the school are the stakeholders? Wait, because they put up this title, but when you actually read it, listen, on the nationwide, always read the fine writing, my wisdom warriors. Anytime they put up a title, just check the fine writing. The fine writing, just check it and we see the difference. Because here it says that the Ministry of Education is encouraging all stakeholders. And that it say, one thing with them, them have to defend for their money, Forget they love money, my wisdom warriors, they do anything for money. Hey, Jamaica really gone to the dogs, Jamaica really gone to the dogs. Tropical Storm Raphael is beginning to move away from Jamaica, but a tropical storm warning remains in effect. The island can expect continued heavy rainfall, gusty winds, and potential flash flooding, especially in flood-prone areas. Southern parishes have already reported flooding, with more rain expected throughout the day. Small craft operators are advised to stay in safe harbor, and everyone is urged to stay alert to updates from the Meteorological Service. My wisdom warriors, take a look at this. Just take a look at this. Someone sent this in the WhatsApp group. Just take a look at this. Look at this little boy, this little baby. He's actually a baby. This little baby was rescued by police, my wisdom warriors. This little baby was living in Seven Heights, Maypen, Clarendon. His parents, both overseas working, left him in the care of a woman. She was to receive some money, but she never got it, and did this to the child. Take a look. Look what she do. You know, just take a good look, my wisdom warriors. Take a good look. Me can't understand these parents. I really can't understand, Uno. You have a little baby like that. You have a little baby like this here. Look how old is the baby. And both parents, you know. Both parents. Uno gone and left uno pitney with people. Me rotted wall. Me not understand. Anybody supposed to be blamed is the parents. How uno can how uno feel? Uno no love in no heart. How uno feel for left uno pitney and with a family member? Yeah, but both parents, why? Why two and a half left gone and left on a pitney with somebody, with a woman, not even a family, even though you have some family wicked and abuse pitney same way, whether they're related, yes or no. But mighty God, man, mighty God, what this woman do to this little child is evilous, wickedness. People like she for rot in a jail. People like she. You can't just imagine what else she do to this little baby. Mighty God, I don't even want to think about it, my wisdom warriors. But to know we have to talk things them. This woman is a wicked woman. Yeah, is a wicked woman, and I still can't get around why parents have to always left them pitney with people. I don't know, come here, so come tell me about true they want to make life and true they want to go foreign, and you not tell me this bullshit. You to stop it. That's why enough of uno pitney get abused. Enough of uno pitney get abused in a Jamaica because uno left and gone, but uno want better life and left uno damn pitney. If the state can't take you and your pitney, uno don't go nowhere. Because guess what? You see what the pitney go through, my wisdom warriors, they will never forget it. And guess what? They will forever blame their parents. You understand? This is why me don't know. Hey, me couldn't do it, you know? Me couldn't do it. Uno do it. Me rotted wall. My wisdom warriors, me just not understand. Me just not getting it. Why would both parents, all right, maybe then one parent gone, just say for example, just say, I don't know, me now say the parents together, you know. Maybe the father already did overseas, or maybe the mother did already overseas. You understand me? And now one of them decides that them are go and try to make life, and probably later them are going to take a pitney. No, mama, uno fi tappy. Uno fi stop it. If it's not an immediate or very close family, like, come on, why una left your pitney with friend? Let me always tell you, you know, see a man face, but uno don't know the heart. See a man face, but uno don't know the heart. Uno fi stop left uno pitney, but uno go foreign, go make life. Uno fi tappy. Uno fi stop it, because, listen, I must trust this lady, trust this woman. I must trust the parent, trust this woman. Make sure allow her little baby to stay and live with this woman here. Uno fi stop it, man. If you stay now and take uno and no pitney, man, no go. Uno bring uno pitney, because uno will listen. You know, that's why sometimes I see some pitney, you know, and then parents live bad. Nobody not even know why. Nobody no know why and what them a go through. You understand me? Me know some people now go like for my argument, and everybody are going to agree with me, because enough people left, go foreign country, and then take them pitney at a later date. You understand? Me get that. But what I'm saying is, me want to say, if you no trust, but this parent trust the woman. This parent just the woman, you know. I know said enough pitney go through whole heap and they don't talk. Enough pitney go through whole heap and get abused. Enough pitney them parents left them and gone abroad and people abuse them and up to today day they don't make your parents know. Yeah, because I talk to people like that. So my wisdom warriors, I don't like the fact. I feel so hurt when I see this little boy tied up like this. That's something wrong with that woman there. Or she just, sometimes nothing not even wrong with them. Sometimes I just bad mind and envious. And then just take you out upon your pitney. Listen, Jamaican people, you no need to stop do that. Enough of you do that. Enough Jamaican do that. Left them pitney with family. Left them pitney with friend. You understand me? Yes, you have some family where you can trust. But as I said, this woman, me sure no say, I trust this lady. And look what happened. Look what happened. Mighty God of Daniel. But I hope this woman that do this to this little boy, I hope she rot in a jail. Not even bail she not forget. Not even bail she not forget. My wisdom warriors, you don't have to agree with me, you know. You can voice for your opinion. Tell me what you think. A strong earthquake with magnitude of 5 was felt in 3 Caribbean countries on Monday night. The Trinidad-based Seismic Research Center of the University of the West Indies has reported. It said that the quake, which occurred at 9:45 p.m. local time, was felt 81 kilometers southeast of Kingstown, the capital of St. Vincent and the Grenadines, 100 km northeast of St. George's in Grenada, and 146 kilometers north of Scarborough in Tobago. My wisdom warriors, wanna hear what going from what I go on? Last but not least, the People's National Party PNP has rejected a statement by Prime Minister Andrew Holness blaming the PNP for the country's high rate of violence. Yes, Marky G. And that me say in my last video in my wisdom warriors, me say no, Marky G, have to come out and address this, yeah? He have to come out and address this because Andrew Holness a get rank. He might get 2 rank like Ram Goat into out of order. In a speech in Mandeville, Manchester on Sunday, Mr. Holness blamed the opposition for the perceived breakdown in respect between civilians and the police, claiming this is the result of the introduction of pianism into the Jamaican culture. Una sister Andrew Holness is fighting a losing battle. He insists that the crime is out of control and he can't do nothing about it, my wisdom warriors, and then he might turn upon the PNP. Just imagine all what the PNP people them going through. Every single mass shooting happening in PNP area where people come and shoot up, and then Andrew Holness have the audacity to blame PNP, and I blame the opposition leader because them, the government, cannot control the crime. Andrew Holness, you're really desperate. My wisdom warriors, hear what Marky G have to say.
The Prime Minister is clearly desperate and becoming unhinged in his pathetic attempt to shift blame for his own government's poor performance. When a government starts to blame the opposition for its failures, you know that time comes.
I totally agree with Mark Golden. This is what Andrew Holness doing. But guess what, my wisdom warriors? Andrew Holness thinking he can trick we. This is a distraction. He might distract we from the 28 accounts in our work. He might distract we from the 28 bank account and the charity money, taxpayer money went thief, in money laundering. You can't distract we, you know. You cannot distract with Andrew Holness because we know said the 6th of November are your court case. Oh, the 6th I think or the 7th, my wisdom warriors. Wait there. You think we forget? We not forget. Yeah? We not forget. We not forget. So nobody thinks you can trick we. So my wisdom warriors, as me mentioned that, guess what me just remember? Me write it all. The court said them close. Court said them close through the rain. So no know say, well, hopefully Andrew Holness case not put off. I hope Andrew Holness case not put off, you know. I hope so. But them a close courthouse. Me have to really laugh. See, my wisdom warriors, all of this is just a distraction. And what Andrew Holness is doing, it is wrong because he must set up the people them against them one another. A wicked man, he's a evil man, and he need to lift up from out of House of Parliament. No, no, no. Andrew, yeah, good on. No, no, no. My wisdom warriors, tell me what you think, tell me how you feel about this, and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My people, I want to run over to my other channel, subscribe and get me to 5K. Also, if you want to join the WhatsApp group, text yes to 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.